So this is class Dojo, and I'm still learning how to use it, but for the purpose of this lesson plan, so this is just a demo class, to be able to get students to be randomly volunteered or picked, you click this random button, and it gives us that Jennifer will be the one that participates, and I can give her feedback. She is helping others. And so that will be the random tool I'll use to be able to get the students that are going to help me do the dramatization activity. And if I decide, the groups can be chosen by, this can also, you can create groups. So if I want specific students to work together because I know they'll work together well or help each other out, then this will be the tool that would be used. And you can just click and show that group table 1 has Beyonce, Jennifer, and Justin in it, and just like I did with Jennifer earlier, I can award the group with they are working hard. And the same thing can be done for table 2, which just has Denzel and Leonardo in it, and I'm going to say they're working really well as a team. And so that's just a little bit about Class Dojo, and again, I'm still learning all the tools, but for this specific situation in the lesson plan, that is how you would use this technology.